What are some of the limitations of near infrared spectroscopy?
So if you have really dark samples, because what you're essentially doing is you're measuring the light that gets reflected back from your sample. So if you've got a really dark sample, a lot of that light is going to get absorbed, which means that it makes the spectrum very noisy and it makes it very difficult to identify what minerals you actually have in your sample. Secondly, if you've got water, so if your samples are damp or there's any kind of moisture in them, the instrument is designed essentially to analyze those kind of bonds, so your hydroxy bonds and your carbonate bonds and things like that. So if you have water on the surface of your sample, it's going to basically influence the ability to pick up those bonds that are actually in the minerals that you want to analyze from your sample. And then lastly would be that only some minerals are active. So because you're only looking at certain bonds within the mineral phases, so you're not looking at your silica bonds, you're looking at your carbonate bonds and your like water bonds within your actual minerals. And so because of that, it means you can only pick up certain minerals. So if you're looking for a mineral that can't be analysed with this technique, then there's no purpose of using the technique.
So can you analyse everything? Are all minerals active in the SWIR region?
No, so there are certain minerals that are going to be activated by the different areas of the spectrum. So that's why it's shortwave infrared and near infrared spectroscopy, because you have near infrared activated minerals and SWIR, so shortwave infrared activated minerals. Thanks for watching everyone. I'm Naomi.
And I'm Sophie.
And we'll see you next time.